morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel. September has just started and guess what? It's a long weekend here. So today me and Harsh have planned to visit Byward Market. Well, it's one of the oldest and biggest market of Ottawa and it's located in the downtown of Ottawa. So we have just planned to visit there and to check out what all things are there. Well, Byward Market is famous for restaurant, pubs and farmer markets. So I'm gonna take you all along with me. So let's go.
In 400 meters, use the second from the left lane to turn left onto Laurier Avenue West, Ottawa Regional Road 48.
Hi guys, we have reached Byward Market and earlier we have planned to explore the market, but now I think we are very hungry. We didn't have our lunch, so we are thinking to book a table here in this Irish pub. The view from first floor of the restaurant. Beautiful patio. Okay, so somebody asked me what is the famous food of Canada. So this is poutine. It's a combination of cheese, curd, fries and gravy. So yeah, this is kind of very famous here. So Harsh, how is the food?
It's pretty good, actually. It's my first time.
What did you like the most?
Flatbread and the wings.
Small suggestion to everyone, if you are going out then make sure to check weather forecasting, because we did not and we were just enjoying our patio, then all of a sudden it started raining heavily. So earlier we were sitting there and now we are sitting here. So right now we are just waiting that it stopped raining so that we can go out and do our Byward Market tour. We haven't even started yet. We just came to one place and it started raining heavily. Seriously, I mean, it was such a bright sunny day when we came here and now it's like raining. So we are just waiting here. So finally the rain has stopped and again the weather is back to normal. We are again going back to Byward Market. We have wasted our almost 2 hours in Rideau Center. This is the center of Byward Market, right?
हाँ, सेंटर बाइवर्ड मार्केट है, बट ये ओरिजिनल बाइवर्ड मार्केट है, पुरानी वाली.
Okay. It's all cute shops, restaurants, boutiques. This is how it is, so colorful. So what we have here, cafes. Harsh is feeling so sleepy. Even though we had our coffee, still. It's a very beautiful market. I am gonna visit it again. Hey, there is a very good patio. Masala. It's like masaba. No, it's not masaba, it's masala. So we are going to the most photogenic spot of the Byward Market, which is the Ottawa sign. another point, which is York Step.
York
This
Steps.
one, York Steps, Lescalier, York. Arey, I pronounced correct. Okay, so this is the place. Harsh is gonna click so many pictures of me. Harsh. So we have found a very beautiful courtyard, which is this. Isn't it beautiful? I think there is some professional shoot going on. So we are heading for our last place, which is Beaver Tails. It's kind of dessert. It is a kind of pastry actually.
Local terms, it's a bhatura with either sweet or savory.
Yeah,
topping.
it's a Punjabi bhatura. We have reached to Beaver Tails.
Cheesecake.
Which one you are thinking to order?
Hazelnut.
Yeah, one hazelnut is fine.
Hazel more?
Hazelnut.
Hazelnut, yeah. Just one? 6.2.
तो कैसा लगा आपको?
Those who like Nutella, they will definitely gonna love it. And it's very light.
This topic in particular, this is the
It's
hazelnut.
very tasty. I'm thinking to get one more. So we reached home, guys. Well, we didn't get a chance to see farmers market because it got closed so early. Well, whenever we will visit Baiwat again, I will definitely take you all with me. So on that note, I'm going to end this vlog. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If yes, then please do like and subscribe my channel. And I will see you all in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.